I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I live, the dream I knew.
Hello my friends, welcome back to another vlog. I haven't done a what I eat in a day / vlog in forever, and I thought today would be a fun day because it snowed last night. I've already kind of showed you the clips this morning, but it is still coming down, and I wanted to show you kind of like cozy, wintry, easy meals and bring you along for a cozy snow day. Here's our little tree. What have I done already this morning? Went for my walk with Trevi and Matt, and then came home, did some stretching, went on my bike. This is something I haven't shared with you guys yet, but we got a SoulCycle bike, at home bike, and it's been amazing. It's been so awesome having a bike at home. Like, we both use it all the time. I love it. And I took a 30-minute class today. It was a Britney Spears themed ride, which was so fun. And it's just like such a great way to start the day. I love it so much. Showered, did my skincare routine, and now I'm gonna make some breakfast. Trevi's sleeping on the couch. I'm going to probably make some toast. I've been on a big toast kick lately. So I'll probably do some almond butter toast with some apple and my matcha, of course. So I'll be bringing you along for the whole day of cozy, wintry, snowy meals. All right, so starting with matcha, you guys know how to make this because I make it in every video. Pumpkin pie spice, monk fruit extract, matcha powder. This is the matcha that I use. I love Epoto. It is like by far the best matcha I've ever had. I will link it down below. It is like, so good. And then coconut butter as well as hot water. Added everything into my blender. And I also am just toasting my piece of bread, but you know how to toast bread. So then I blend it up until it's smooth and creamy and wait for my toast to be done. So once my toast is done, I cut up an apple and I just cut off the core, and then I thinly slice a few pieces, spread the toast with almond butter, top the almond butter toast with the thinly sliced apples. The other ones I have just on the side, and sometimes I dip some of those pieces into the almond butter jar. But I will finish off with hemp seeds for a little bit of added protein, and that is my breakfast. So piece of toast, almond butter, hemp seeds, matcha, some extra almond butter, delicious. So I just went down to get the mail, and I have a really exciting package that I am gonna open and show you guys. It is one of my wedding rings. So I decided that instead of just doing a band for my wedding rings, I wanted to do a little bit of like a stack of different rings. I wanted something that was a little creative and unique, so I found this one that I love, and I'm really excited to open it, so I'm gonna open it and show you. Okay, first of all, such a cute little wrapping. I'm like definitely gonna save all of this and use it for Christmas this year. Oh wait, I need 2 hands to open this. All right, so here is what it looks like if I can get it to focus. You can't really see, but it's basically like little, it's really hard to see on camera, but it's little diamonds that are kind of randomly scattered around here. I don't know if it's actually exactly what I was envisioning. It looks much different online. So it's from that company, Audrey Rose. So let me try it on with my ring and see what I think. So the idea is that it will live underneath the ring, and then I'll have one more on top. And it's really hard to see on this camera, but I can't get it to focus. I can't get it to focus. I mean, it's cute. It's really pretty. I'm not sure. I gotta get Matt's opinion, see what he thinks of it. I don't know, what do you guys think? So I've been wearing it for a few hours and I've decided I love it. So I'm gonna put it back in the box and then I need to get it a little bit resized. I bought it big, this one. Wanna go for a walk? Yes, you do. You're always leaving caps of almond butter out. Do you wanna go for a walk? Let's go. Let's go. Do your big stretch. Oh, big stretch, 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 stretch. Oh, big stretch. What do you think? Speak. What do you think? What do you think? Speak. Speak. What do you think? All right, guess we're not talking today. Come on. Go on. Now the sun's back out. Probably means all the snow is going to be melted by the end of the day. What are you doing? Oh, you love this one so much. It has turned into a beautiful day. It's like 30 degrees, which means it's getting all slushy, which is one of the downsides of New York City, is that it's really beautiful when it snows, but then it gets really slushy. So we just took Trevi for a little walk, and now we are going to actually go get COVID tests. We have been quarantining for a week and a half, I think, and we need to get tests. They're going to take like 5 days to come back, and then we're quarantining for another, what's today? Today is Thursday. We're quarantining for another full week. So we'll have quarantined for like 2.5 weeks plus getting a test, so that we can go to Christmas at my parents' house. So that's what we're doing, and yeah. Gonna make lunch now. Not really sure what I'm gonna make. I've been doing a lot of egg and black bean tacos, but I feel like I've showed you that, guys. I've showed you guys that before, so maybe I will do something with. I've got a bunch of beans. I've got some romaine lettuce, some quinoa.
You're not using the quinoa, are you?
Oh, Matt's using the quinoa. Hummus. Right now I'm snacking on chocolate covered almonds, which are so good. They're like giant. They're delicious. Maybe I'll just make my tacos again. Those are so dang good. And they're so easy. They take like 5 minutes to make. Alright, so these tacos are only 5 ingredients. They use whatever kind of salsa you like. This is from Whole Foods. It is so dang good. Black beans, tortillas. These are the best corn tortillas ever. Eggs, Vital Farms, and then spinach. And I basically just cook everything in here, heat up my tortillas, turn them into tacos, and that's it. 5 minutes later, here's lunch, topped with avocado and some pickled red onions, and then my extra eggs and black beans and a little bit of Kite Hill cream cheese. Literally takes 5 minutes, high in protein, and so good. Does anyone else's dog do this? She's always doing big stretchies. Oh, also I gave her a haircut this past weekend and it's really bad. She doesn't care. Eat your little butt. So cute. Oh, you got a cute little butt. So sweet. So it's about 3:30 and I don't know what a snow day would be without a little hot chocolate. So I'm gonna make some vegan hot chocolate. I gotta clean the kitchen first, but I have been doing the most boring stuff all afternoon on the computer. Apparently, oh, Matt's watching soccer in the background. Apparently, when you start selling hard goods in the United States, which I did with my hard copy meal plan, you have to become like a sales tax vendor. Didn't know that. So I just had to do like a whole long webinar about how to file sales tax, and it was quite boring, but such is life. So I'm going to make some hot chocolate with some marshmallows on top and clean the kitchen, and then I need to start editing this video because it needs to go up tomorrow. And then we're gonna go for our afternoon walk with Trevi, and I'm not sure what we're doing for dinner yet. I'm craving pizza, but I'm not sure if that's what he wants, so we'll see what we come up with later. All right, now for hot chocolate. So, blender, and I'm gonna use some mixes actually. So I'm gonna do one of the Four Sigmatic. This is their reishi cocoa mixture, and it's like good for chilling out. Reishi's good for like kind of sleep and calm energy. So Four Sigmatic, drop it into the blender, which you obviously can't see from right here. This video is obviously not sponsored by anybody, but if you do want to try Four Sigmatic, I do have a discount code, so I'll drop that down below for you. I'm also gonna do some cacao powder, which I keep in this container, and I'll add like that much in, add that into the blender. I'm also gonna do a little mixture that I currently have. Let me find it in my pantry. It's from Cocoa Kind, and it's a morning mocha latte, so it actually doesn't have coffee in it. Cocoa powder, rice milk powder, chicory. Yeah, so it doesn't have any actual coffee in it, but it has kind of a mocha-y type flavor. It's got some cinnamon in it, so it would be really good, or it is good. I've tried it in hot chocolate. So I'm gonna do like half of a scoop into the blender. This is what it looks like if you're interested. I will drop it down below. And then, whoa, I'm gonna do just a little bit of sweetness, so that's up here. I'm gonna do my monk fruit extract, so I'm just gonna 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop it in. That TV is probably so loud. So we've got our powders in the blender. Then I'm gonna add some almond milk, maybe like a cup. Hot water, maybe another cup, just so it's like hot. And that's it. I'm gonna blend it up and top it with marshmallows. Look at that, perfect. Oh yeah, baby. All right, so, oh my God, so foamy. Now I gotta top it with my marshmallows. So this is the brand of marshmallow that I got. They obviously don't have gelatin because they're vegan, but they also don't have corn syrup, which is great. So this is a little precarious how much foam is on here. I need to sip this off. On the other side. Oh my God, so good. Now I'm gonna go finish watching this game with Matt, and then we'll take Tori for our walk. All right, it is time for dinner. I have edited almost all of this video besides for what you're watching right now, so it'll be up on time, which is awesome. I'm having pizza, Matt's having mac and cheese, so I'm going to do the Banza pizza crust as the base, and this pizza crust is something that they sent me. It's so good. I think you can find it at, I think it's at Target and Whole Foods, they told me, but it's like chickpea based, vegan, gluten-free, crispy, with like kind of chewy edges. It's a great option. It's healthy, it's easy. I'm gonna do a tomato base, sauteed veggies on top, whatever vegan cheese I have left over, which is I think a very small amount. And that's gonna be dinner. I'll throw some greens on there. Pizza is like my comfort food. definitely perfect on a snow day. B, it's so easy to make. And C, it's delicious. So let me show you what we're doing. So I did a layer of Rayo's tomato sauce, the spicy arrabbiata one, and then I shredded some Brussels sprouts, sauteed that quickly with mushrooms, peppers, onion, and some spinach, and that was the topping. Then this goes in 400 for like 9 to 11 minutes. And here's dinner. Matt's watching more soccer stuff, but I'm having 4 pieces tonight because I'm hungry and that's what I want. So tons of greens. We had some leftover romaine that I just put olive oil and red wine vinegar and salt and pepper on. Got some Trilogy kombucha instead of wine and got my giant water bottle. So yeah. All right, friends, dinner is done. Gotta finish editing this video and then gonna watch a little bit of TV, make some tea, have some chocolate, call it a night. I hope you guys enjoyed today's What I Eat in a Day video. I'm hoping to do more vlogging in 2021. Hopefully life gets a little bit more interesting than sitting around in the apartment, but we'll see. We're headed up to Vermont, like I said, so I'll do a little bit of vlogging up there maybe, and if not, I have a few more videos coming for 2020, but the year is almost over. I, for one, am definitely looking forward to 2021. Lots of things coming your way, and if you do have any requests, any types of videos you want to see, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking the red button that's right below this video. And I think that's all I have. So I hope you have an awesome rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.